I swear to you guys, I have been trying to film for the past hour and I just cannot figure out this noise that's happening. It is like either the business behind me, which I don't think it is because I peeked over the fence and I couldn't really see anything going on, or it sounds more to me like a lawnmower. So someone's been mowing their lawn for the past hour. I'm gonna try as much as I can to edit that out in the audio, but who knows how that's gonna go. I really can't wait any longer. I got other things I gotta do today. But welcome back. Hi, my name is Natasha. If it is your first time here, today's video I'm pretty excited about. I just got these guys in the mail this morning. Round 2, trying on the Dezi sunglasses. So if you're interested in this video, just keep watching.
Now close your eyes.
Alright, let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and open the box. I haven't opened it yet. I just cut the tape, so let's see what she looks like. Cute. So it looks like this is the same exact box packaging as it was the first time around when I bought sunglasses. Real quickly, I have already done a video reviewing some of these sunglasses. I got 3 pairs today. They were 3 pairs that I did not get in the previous video. They actually were the pairs that I was most excited about to get, so I'm really happy to open these today. We have the little Dezi card, same little message and images on the back. Super cute. My lights are blinding that out so hard. Okay, so I actually really love this box. I love when brands really take design of even the box into account. I think that's really pretty. Her face with the different shades on there. So let's go ahead and get to open them. Okay, you guys. I secured the 2000s. These are the style that I was wanting the most. They sold out so fast last time. I will say this time around, I just paid standard flat rate shipping and I got them within like a week. Last time it took almost 2 weeks, a week and a half, and I got these actually pretty fast, I feel like, this time around. So let's go ahead and open them up. This one right here is the style, the 2000s in gold dark smoke. So it comes in the same faux leather sunglass case box, and then inside of that you have the fabric bag and then the glasses in the plastic. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Like I said, these are the style 2000s and this is in the shade gold and black. Whew. OMG, more. Actually, it's called the proper shade name for this is the gold dark smoke lens. So firstly, before I even put these on, let's just look at them. There is the same detail right in here where you can see 2000s etched onto the end of the glass, and then it has Dezi on there. Very nice. They feel very heavy. The lenses are really thick. I don't know if you can see that. Lenses are really thick, and I think right here, oh come on, focus. It keeps trying to focus on my face instead. Let's just go ahead and put them on. These are the ones I was most excited about. Oof. Yes. Drama. Attitude. TRL. MTV Spring Break. Wow, these are so cute, so comfortable. They're not pinching very hard right here. They're not pinching on the nose. I do know that those are adjustable. I really love a good dark lens. I don't mind if someone can or can't see my eyes. I know that's a pet peeve for a lot of people, is whether or not you can see someone's eyes in sunglasses. You can see the reflection of all of my lights right now. Cute! Wow, these are really comfortable. I really love the detail here on the bridge of the nose. It almost looks like a braided chain or a braided rope detail on the edge of the nose. It has Dezi up top on this lens. So pretty, so cute, and it does have a little turtle shell for the end of the leg. What is it? What's that part of the sunglass called? The leg, the rim, the arm? Super cute, super comfortable. I like the thin metal with the thick lens. There is a lot of space in between this and your face as well. I know when I first reviewed the glasses, that was something I really enjoyed, was that I didn't feel my eyelashes like flickering on the lenses. Wow, these are just like giving me everything, giving me major attitude. I love these, and I know that it's like fall and winter time right now, and not everyone wears sunglasses in fall and winter, but I wear sunglasses year round. I have like pretty sensitive eyes to light anyways, but I also just like love wearing sunglasses. Like every single time I get in the car, I put sunglasses on. Like being outside, you wear sunglasses. Like that's just part of it to me. I'm a sunnies girl. I love the mood that these are putting me in right now. They're giving me major attitude. I think they finally stopped mowing their lawn. Finally. Okay, so I also wanted to say that I have really loved using this little cloth bag with the other pairs of sunglasses that I got previously. It's a really nice bag. It has a really nice tie on it. It's thick. I'm not worried about my glasses really getting that messed up. I feel totally comfortable just taking this and throwing it into my purse. Obviously, it's not going to protect it from like smashing or breaking if you're rough on it, but just protecting it from getting scratched or getting all smudged and gross. I do really like this little bag. Okay, so the next pair I got was also in the style 2000s, and these are the rose gold with the rose gradient lens. These are the ones I find that are most popular online. Like these are the ones that I've seen the most people wearing. So same thing, little bag, comes with the case. Here are the sunnies. This makes me want to go on a trip. I always buy new sunglasses when I'm about to go on a trip because it just like goes with the mood of wherever you're vacationing to and like your outfits and everything. Like I'm such a sunglass girl. Okay, so these have all of the same similar details as the first one, except for this is a rose gold metal leg, rose gold metal for this piece right here. OMG. Wow. I didn't think a sunglass could make me look so much better looking, but they succeeded. I love these glasses. I love the name 2000s. I love the vibe they give. I love everything about it. I love a good rimless lens. These are just so pretty, so attitude, but in like the best way, you know, like I don't know how else. I want to be wearing like a velour jogging suit right now. I want to have a frappuccino in my hand. Like these glasses are so cute. I like wearing them a little bit lower. I think that looks better with my nose shape. I'm so happy I finally got these ones. These are the ones that I was the most excited about. I feel like they just look so good. They exude the mood that I am constantly trying to exude. These look really pretty right now. They're actually kind of matching my lip. I was a little on the fence about this rose gold color wave when I first saw the glasses because I don't wear that much rose gold. I do have like my wedding ring is a rose gold band, but other than that, like I don't really wear a lot of like rose, a lot of pink, a lot of rose gold, so I thought that these maybe wouldn't look as good on me or I wouldn't know what to wear them with. But now that I have them on my face, I'm like, oh, these are just a neutral. Like they just are. God, when you take off a colored lens, everything looks crazy. I have a pair of sunglasses where it's like a yellow lens, and every time I take them off, I'm like, but even just with this pink lens, like everything has kind of a little bit of a pink tinge to it. I really like the ombre lens, so it's a lot darker up here and it fades down. You can see your eyes through this, but I think that like if you were inside or if it was a little bit darker of the day, you couldn't really see through them. These are just like, yeah, like I said, major attitude. I can't stop playing with my hair because I'm so unhappy with it today. But the shades, obsessed. And like I said, these have all of the same details as the other one, obviously, because they both are in the same style, just different colors. So let me give you a little side by side here. So we have the rose gold and then the dark smoke. So pretty. Okay, and then lastly, I picked up the shades in the style on red, and I got these in black dark smoke. So these are another one that I originally wanted to get, and I actually brought over the shades that I got in the first round, which are called Charge It. So these two look the most similar. I actually get these pretty confused when I'm looking at them online, so I wanted to compare them both side by side for you to see. Like I said, these ones are in the style Charge It, right? These ones are in the style on red. See, I'm already getting it confused. On red, and this is in black dark smoke. OMG. I really like and dislike how much plastic is involved here. I understand the reasoning for it, like because like, so for instance, this comes in plastic. Okay, so you want this in plastic because you don't want this to get dinged up or messed up because it is a softer touch, like a faux leather vibe. Whatever, I get that, putting that in plastic. But then you have these in plastic as well, and with this pair, and I think all of the pairs, you have a third layer of plastic to help protect it from scratches or whatever, when I feel like if they would have just been packaged in the bag it came with and then put inside this box, you really could have reduced the plastic and only had the one initial outside plastic to it. That's just for me, because as I'm looking down on my desk, like, let me give you a little cell phone video. It's covered in plastic right now just from these sunglasses. Like, that's all just the plastic packaging from the glasses, and that's pretty wasteful. I mean, I personally like to try to reduce as much plastic as I'm using, but I digress. So here we go, the shades On Red. One thing I love about all of the glasses is that you will see somewhere on the glass, it'll be etched in on the arm or the leg, whatever it's called, the style name. I just think that's so cool. And then on the other side here we have, oh, come on, the Dezi emblem. It's kind of going in and out of focus. So let's go ahead and put these bad boys on. Ooh, cute. Noticeably right away though, they are a lot tighter around my head. I think that if you had a head that was any bigger than mine, these glasses would not fit you. The arms are not adjustable on these guys. It is a little tight right here. I already, just from having these on for a few seconds, know that if I were to wear these for a few hours, I would definitely have a headache. I mean, come on though, like, On Red is the perfect name for these, because when I'm wearing these glasses, I will leave you on red. Like, that's the attitude that I'll have that day. So pretty. I love the black on black with the tiny bit of the gold detail on the side. That's gorgeous. I love the style. I love that they're not perfectly like rounded cat-eyed. I love that they are a little bit more geometric. I think that is super cool. I love the really dark lens. I think they look great. They don't pinch too hard on the nose. They are just, like I said, tight on the side of the head. So if you have a bigger head than me, I think my head is misleading. Because I have so much hair, I think it makes it look like I have a bigger head, but I actually do feel like I have kind of a small head. So beware of that when you're buying these shades. But I mean, they're hot. They look good. I love the style. These very much seem like chic to me, seem city, seem boss bitch, seem just boss in general. Like, I really love the vibe of these glasses. So I wanted to pull out the style Charge It and show you guys in comparison, because I know for myself personally, I kept getting this style in On Red confused with the style Charge It, because they are similar and different at the same time. So I have these ones right here in Charge It, and this is in the tortoiseshell, and I just kind of wanted to show you a little, I look crazy right now, but just so you can kind of see them comparatively, they are pretty different shaped. So these ones right here in Charge It are a lot rounder of a shade compared to these ones right here, which are more of an angular cat-eyed shade. So like I said, you can see that these ones are a lot more rounded. Now that I see them like side by side in person, I definitely can see the difference in them, but I think online and just seeing like the model photos, I was getting just a little confused. But looking at it like this, I'm like, oh, they're completely different. But I actually have been enjoying wearing these. I do think these are really great. Wow. Okay, real quickly, let's just throw them all on again. So we have this one right here in On Red. Words I would describe this would be boss, city, elite, luxury, attitude, migraine, because they are a little tight, so keep that in mind. But gorge. These come, I think all of the shades come in like 5 different color waves. Love it. Okay, and then we have the 2000s. So the first one we have here is the rose gold rose gradient. These seem like Euphoria, hottest girl you know, hot summer nights, don't have time for your problems, I'm going out with my girls, wine tasting, brunch, getting too drunk, going out to the bars, summer lovin'. Do you know what I mean? That's what these glasses give me. Okay, and then we have the 2000s in black gold, and these give me all of those similar vibes, but somehow also like back of a motorcycle, badass, don't start with me, takes tequila straight, hot. Oh my god, I love these sunglasses so much. I'm gonna be wearing these forever. Ugh, obsessed. Well, I'm happy. I love getting a little gift in the mail for myself, a gift that I bought myself in the mail. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite style I tried on today was. I mean, I think mine, I like them all. I'm obsessed with all of them. So let me know what your favorite ones are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post here every Tuesday and Friday. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!